but it's not of his age group. But the question is, he says, what is the meaning of Fastabeq Khairat?
Fastabeq Khairat.
Ji.
The meaning is that you try to compete with each other in everything good. People sometimes compete with others to behave more wickedly. But the Muslims are given the target to always compete with each other in everything good. Even when you do it in the races, that is covered by this. When you try to outpace someone, your friend or classmate, you are following this instruction of the Rasulullah or the instruction of the Holy Quran. So this is a target given to the Muslim Ummah, that always compete in good things, never compete in bad things. Right? Give it this is the last question of this session, MashaAllah. So I think it was good that nobody was remembered how to sing. I remembered any portion of singing, because you didn't have time for the second circuit. Even now, without the singing, this is the last of the questioners.
Tomar prashno nahi? I think he does not.
No.
He does not have any question today.
And the time is over. You don't have any question today? No? But I'm sorry that I think you're waiting for some sweets. No? So that's good. Because I haven't brought any sweets for you today. Sorry. I beg your pardon. Right?
Well, Jazakumullah.
Assalamu alaikum.